So here is Amigo AI app. So you can just go in here, and this is the app where you just kind of select different filters, which you can apply just like that. So it kind of changes your face like that. Different types of, and then you can see it like that. And then you can just tap start match and just start a random video call with other people. Then you see moments. You can create a moment for just some like random photos. Then you see home. You can record or stream it. You can then chat with create the room. Copy room link, and then just drop it to your friends and they can join. So you can do like video chats in here. And then there is your profile. So here you have it. So unlimited face uploads, no watermark, inspiration with videos. So here you have Amigo Plus, which is $30 per month. Quite expensive. I don't know why this app is so expensive. And then you can just see it like that. So yeah, that's kind of the idea in here. So there you have it.